Intake forms are fillable documents that healthcare professionals use in order to collect particular information from their upcoming clients, especially first-timers. These documents are used to ask upcoming clients about their medical histories, family information and genetics, what symptoms they have now for whatever potential problem they want to consult about, and if they have had any surgeries or particular treatments before that are worth noting. The adult counseling intake form does this too, but it focuses on subjects that are related to mental health. Some of the things that you will see in such forms are questions or items revolving around a patient's history with psychiatric practice, therapy and/or counseling. To use our free adult counseling intake form, follow these steps. Download our adult counseling intake form from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. An upcoming patient needs to do the usual things like indicate your name, date of birth, age, marital status, military history, education, and more. The next step is to fill out the checklist of traumatic experiences and losses. They need to check whichever applies to them, like bullying, sexual abuse, isolation, war, job, loss, and more. Next is to fill out the family history section. The person will answer questions like, how would you describe your family? Did they experience any abuse as a child, whether at home or outside? Did you get the support that you need from your family? And do you experience abuse in your adult life? Next is the counseling history section. There will be questions about the person seeing a counselor or therapist before or not, and if they did, what did they like the most about the experience and what they didn't like the most. Next is the history of substance abuse section. If the patient has a history of substance abuse, they will answer questions about alcohol, tobacco, and drugs. Next is the legal issue section. If the patient has any run-ins with the law, or has been involved in any legal issues or is currently going through legal issues, they will answer a question as to how it has affected them or is affecting them. Next is the emotional and mental health section. This section will be about how the patient is currently feeling. There will be questions about how they would describe themselves when it comes to their emotions, if they have had any thoughts of self-harm or harming others, if they have enacted those thoughts, and if they have a support system. Next is reason for seeking counseling. The patient will describe the problem they are dealing with that they want to seek counseling for and what they would like the result to be from their counseling sessions. The last part is a privacy agreement. For this template, there will be a general privacy agreement section that will be signed by the patient and their witness. Here is a sample of our adult counseling intake form, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our adult counseling intake form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.